First, you change your phone from mobile to desktop view. Then after, you tap on the YouTube Studio. The next option is tapping on the settings button. Next, you tap on update default. Now you tap on the advanced setting. You go to the categories option and you select which category you choose. So I'm choosing gaming for this. Then I'm saving it. So I will be changing the categories for videos also by tapping the videos option. Then I will select all the videos since I'm choosing all the videos here. I'll be tapping on the edit button, choosing the category option, then choosing the category I want to choose, which is the gaming, of course. And when I'm done, I update the settings. That's it. So if you want to change your category, this is the format you're going to use for both the settings of your channel and for your already uploaded videos.